911, this is what's the address of your emergency?
Yes, I have a child right here. She's with me. I'm in the parking lot of the police station. She's in danger. I have a knife.
What was that? You have a knife?
Yeah.
Why is she in danger?
Because I have a knife and I'm a dangerous guy.
Are you trying to hurt her?
Yeah, she's 3 years old.
Who is this little girl to you?
She's my stepdaughter.
Hold on. Are you in a car?
She's in the car. I'm right outside the car.
Drop a knife. Drop a knife, drop a knife. Watsonville, 2-4 shots fired in front of the PD. You okay? Where? Knife's right here.
Knife's down? I no one outstanding?
There's a kid in the car. There's a kid in the car.
Work on Where's the tape?
There's a kid in the car.
Nothing else on him? Yeah.
I shot him.
Okay. Hold on. You?
I shot him.
Okay. Take him aside.